Please subscribe, follow and like engineeringall.com.
Here's the correct number of kilometers to go before changing your gear oil. Welcome to an informative guide about an essential aspect of vehicle maintenance, changing your gear oil. In this video, we'll delve into the factors that influence gear oil change intervals, and provide valuable insights into how many kilometers you should go before considering a change. Hello, fellow drivers. We are here to shed light on a topic that's often overlooked, but crucial for maintaining a healthy vehicle: gear oil maintenance. Whether you're a seasoned car owner or a new driver, understanding when to change your gear oil can make a significant difference in the smooth operation and longevity of your transmission system. Let's start by understanding the crucial role of gear oil in your vehicle's transmission system. Think of gear oil as the lifeblood that keeps your gearbox healthy and functioning smoothly. It serves as both a lubricant and a coolant, ensuring that the intricate components within your transmission can work together seamlessly. Over time, however, gear oil can degrade due to factors like heat, pressure, and contamination. This degradation can lead to reduced performance, rough gear shifts, and even long-term damage if not addressed in a timely manner. Now, let's dive into the factors that influence how often you should change your gear oil. It's important to recognize that these factors can vary based on your driving habits, the type of transmission you have, and the conditions you typically drive in. If your daily commute involves a lot of stop-and-go traffic, or if you frequently engage in activities like towing, your transmission works harder and may require more frequent gear oil changes. Similarly, if you often find yourself driving in extreme temperatures, whether it's under scorching summer sun or freezing winter chill, these conditions can impact the lifespan of your gear oil. Automatic and manual transmissions also have unique requirements. Automatic transmissions tend to generate more heat and can cause fluid to degrade faster, making more frequent changes necessary. Manual transmissions, while generally more robust, still benefit from regular maintenance to ensure consistent performance. While specific change intervals can vary, there are general guidelines that you can follow to determine when it's time for a gear oil change. Many vehicle manufacturers recommend changing the gear oil every 50,000 to 100,000 kilometers, or roughly every 2 to 4 years. However, it's essential to consult your car's owner's manual for the manufacturer's specific recommendations. It's important to keep in mind that if you often drive in challenging conditions, such as carrying heavy loads, navigating mountainous terrains, or enduring extreme weather, your transmission might require more frequent gear oil changes. When in doubt, it's a wise idea to consult a professional mechanic, who can offer tailored advice based on your driving patterns and your vehicle's specifications. Beyond adhering to mileage and time intervals, staying attuned to your vehicle's behavior is vital. There are several telltale signs that suggest it's time for a gear oil change. If you find yourself experiencing rough or delayed gear shifts, hearing unusual noises when shifting, or even noticing signs of transmission overheating, these could be warning signals indicating that your gear oil needs attention. Additionally, if you detect a distinct burning smell, or discover that the gear oil on the dipstick appears dark, gritty, or emits an unpleasant odor, these are all signs that the oil's condition has deteriorated. To wrap things up, understanding when to change your gear oil is a fundamental part of responsible vehicle ownership. By heeding the manufacturer's guidelines, factoring in your driving habits and conditions, and proactively addressing your vehicle's performance, you can ensure that your transmission system remains in top-notch condition for the long haul. Thank you for joining me on this educational journey. If you found this information valuable, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more enlightening videos on vehicle maintenance and care. Until next time, keep those gears shifting smoothly and your transmission running strong.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the red button to subscribe for more videos.